What's up guys, it's time to talk about Huawei, and no, I'm not gonna talk about the Mate 30 Pro, like how you get Google services on it, or the best camera features of Mate 30 Pro. There are tons of videos on YouTube about it, but today I'm gonna talk about the Huawei Mate X2. Yes, the second generation foldable phone of Huawei. And yes, I know Huawei hasn't even released the first generation Mate X yet, but Huawei has confirmed that they will release their first ever foldable phone next month in China and then in other markets. And as for the Mate X2, so out comes the new patent application via Let's Go Digital. So Huawei has filed a trademark application on September 26 in World Intellectual Property Office, or I would say WIPO, and the patent shows similar design of Mate X2 as of the original Mate X, but now it's having a stylus inside it. Huawei has fitted a compartment on the other side to store a stylus. This compartment is processed in the sidebar, in which the camera system is also integrated. But I'm confused where Huawei will place a USB Type-C port. The first generation model has a USB-C port instead of this M-Pen compartment, but let's wait and see where Huawei will place their USB-C port. And if it will have stylus support, this means the second generation Mate X will also use a flexible glass display, because as we know stylus won't work in plastic displays. There is a reason why Samsung's second generation Fold 2 will also use a flexible glass display to enable stylus support. So that's all about the Mate X2 right now. And as for the Huawei versus US situation, so the current 90 days temporary license that Trump's administration gave American companies to do business with Huawei will end in November, and after that no more 90 days reprise will given to Huawei. According to Bloomberg, the State Department's Deputy Assistant Secretary for Cyber Policy said temporary general licenses don't often last forever. He pointed out that these licenses are designed to provide some immediate relief and to prevent immediate disruption to the market. So let's wait and see what will happen next with Huawei. And speaking of the Huawei sub-brand Honor, so they are about to launch their flagship Honor V30. And Honor V30 is designed guardly, showing the full display up front with extremely narrow bezels and dual punch holes similar to S10 Plus. But instead of on the right side, V30 has this on its left side. But instead of dual cameras up front, it has only one camera sensor, whereas the other one is a gesture sensor similar to Mate 30 lineup. As for its specifications, so it will have a 60 megapixel quad camera set on the back, bigger 4200 mAh battery, 6.5 inch full HD plus LCD display, yes LCD display, but with a 90 Hz refresh rate and with dual punch hole. And under the hood, it will walk a Kirin 990 and 995G based on its models. So yeah, that's all on Huawei right now. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more news like this. And yeah, see you soon.